'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house. Wait a second, that's not the right one. Okay, sorry. It was not Halloween yet, but it felt like it. Something was in the air. Something. It was a day like any other, except for one thing.
Dave decided that on this day, it would be a good idea to make ramen. He had had a long day. He thought he deserved it. What he did not realize was that a crucial part of his special recipe was not available at the time. Where's the Kraft American cheese? I need the cheese to make my ramen. But we don't have any.
It may have happened less than 2 hours ago, but I'm still traumatized by it today.